Welcome to this demo of BAF's generative AI for travel-related operations with the integration of AI Copilot. Emma is a seasoned traveler, Alex is a flight attendant, David is a flight operations manager, and BAF GPT is Unicorn's AI Copilot. This video highlights key scenarios where our generative AI solution can significantly benefit the users and admins in the travel industry, particularly in airline services. A seasoned traveler, Emma opens her AI Copilot app to plan an exciting multi-destination adventure. Because of the integration with Unicorn Airlines, the AI Copilot immediately responds to her request to present a detailed itinerary on the screen. She communicates her preferences through voice commands to oversee the possible flight options.
I'd like to travel from New York to Paris, then to Tokyo, and return to New York. The trip should take place between August 15th and 30th, with about a week in each city. Please suggest the best options based on these preferences.
The options are conveniently displayed, offering Emma a clear overview of her travel plans. Emma decides to modify the trip and asks Copilot to change the second leg of my trip from Paris to Tokyo. Without missing a beat, the AI Copilot offers a solution. Now, Emma wants to confirm her flight status. The AI Copilot reassures her flight status with detailed information. Emma receives live updates about her flight status, ensuring her travel plans are smooth and hassle-free. As a flight attendant, Alex wants to ensure passengers receive the best possible in-flight experience. Equipped with a tablet, he logs into the staff portal through the Unicorn Airlines website and relies on the AI Copilot to manage in-flight services effortlessly. Alex begins by asking about the meal preferences of passengers. Instantly, the Copilot provides accurate information. With the information, Alex ensures that the passengers get their preferred meals. Moments later, Alex delivers a swift voice command to assist with lounge access for passengers impacted by an unexpected flight cancellation.
List the passengers with lounge access after their canceled flight.
The AI Copilot efficiently provides the required details, allowing Alex to nod, satisfied that the passengers will be well taken care of. A flight operations manager, David is tasked with optimizing flight routes and improving booking trends. Seated at his desk, he opens his management portal through the airline website and accesses BAF AI Copilot to gain insights into user behavior. David requests AI Copilot to display the current trends in booking routes for the upcoming holiday season. While he asks about the prominent summer bookings, the AI Copilot quickly generates a visual dashboard displaying colorful graphs and key statistics. Then, David wants to know the reason for the underperforming San Francisco to Sydney route, and the Copilot highlights the primary reasons with a detailed graph. David decides to look deeper and requests information on passenger satisfaction levels on a particular route. The AI Copilot promptly displays the information in no time with a detailed bar chart. The BAF AI Copilot provides valuable insights into user behavior to optimize flight routes, assisting David in optimizing and streamlining operations for maximum efficiency.